Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for your clothing store. If you run a clothing store, then manually responding to all the queries about store timings and exchange policies can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pably Chatflow, we are going to create AI agent which will respond to all of these queries and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI agent, then let me take you to my screen. This is the AI agent that I've created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow for my clothing store, which will automatically respond to all the queries sent by the user. Before we begin the procedure of creating this AI agent, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the AI agent, we have to send a message like, "Hi, I need help." I'm going to send it, and our AI agent responds us with, "I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with today?" And here I'm going to respond with store timings. And our chatbot responds us with, "Our clothing store is open Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask." So next I'm going to ask about size exchange policy. And our chatbot responds us with, "We offer size exchanges within 7 days of purchase. Just make sure to keep the tag intact and have your receipt. If you need more information, I'm here to help." So next I'm going to ask about clothing categories offered, and our chatbot responds us with, "We offer men's, women's and kids clothing, including ethnic wear, casuals and formal wear. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, just let me know." So this is the AI agent that we have created for clothing store business, and if you want to create the same, you have to visit Pably Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pably Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pably Chatflow. Here we have to access Pably Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pably Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pably Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of Chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pably customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pably Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the procedure of creating AI Assistant, and for that you have to access AI Assistant from here and then click on AI Assistant, and you will get an option to name your AI Assistant. So here I'm going to name my AI Assistant as Clothing Store. Like this. You can provide any name that you want. And then we will be redirected to this page. From here, we have to first select our AI agent. So here I'm going to select AI agent. You can select customer support agent or sales agent or any other agent according to your needs. And automatically instructions will appear here such as primary functions and constants. Next, I'm going to select the temperature and it says 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. That means we can set our creativity levels from here. Then I'm going to select AI tool as OpenAI and then I'm going to select model as ChatGPT 4.0 mini. Now here we have to paste API token and to get that it says kindly visit OpenAI API keys page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So click on this link and it will redirect you to this page here. Here you can see already created API keys. If you want to create a new one, you have to click on create new secret key. Then provide your AI agent name like the clothing store and I'm going to leave the project settings as default and then I'm going to click on create. Now you can copy the API key from here and paste it here. Then click on connect and once the API key is successfully updated, you can move to AI assistant settings such as header message or footer message. If you want to provide header or footer message, you have to enable toggle and provide your header message here. Similarly, if you want to provide footer, you have to provide your footer message here. You can also provide a stop key which will stop the AI assistant from messaging further. You can also provide retry attempts and a fallback message. This is our default fallback message. Now I'm going to move ahead to knowledge source. Here you have to drag and drop your knowledge source. Make sure that it's not more than 90 MB and only in TXT format. Here I have already uploaded this file. Our AI agent will only be responding according to this knowledge source, so make sure it has all the proper instructions of your clothing store or your business. Next, we are going to move ahead to the assistant interface. Click on it. Here we have arrived on assistant interface. Here you can provide header display heading name. So I'm going to provide as clothing store, which will appear here. And here we get the initial message. So the default initial message is, hi there, how can I help you today? If you want to customize it according to your needs, you can write your message here as, hey, as how can I assist you today? Like this. And to register it, simply press enter. And it will provide your customized initial message like this. And from here, you can enable or disable powered by Pabbly label. In the default settings, it will be enabled. You can also disable it and it will stop showing the Pabbly logo. I'm going to enable it for now. And then you can provide privacy policy and first message. This is very important because this message will activate the AI agent. You can also customize this message as your needs, such as hello. But I am going to leave it like, hi, I need help. Next, we are going to click on styling and from here you can change the theme from light to dark and you can change assistant shape as square or rounded square and you can also change assistant background color, assistant text color, background color, WhatsApp button color, primary chat bubble background color, primary chat bubble text color, footer background color and footer text color. You can also provide a header profile and assistant profile picture and you can also change the background if you want. So you can customize the whole AI assistant as per your needs on your WhatsApp itself. Once you have created your chatbot, you have to enable the toggle and save your AI assistant. And if you want to get the code, you have to click on this embed button and you will get the code which you can integrate with your business and activate the AI assistant. This is how we have created our AI assistant for clothing store. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pably Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pably.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pably.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.